How do you two know each other?
Mother, daughter.
Dr. Talei, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for changing my life. Yes, I have tears, I swear.
See, finally, because nobody ever cries for me. What kind of changes have you noticed?
I didn't even realize how terrible my chin was in the neck, which we fixed. Everything just looks so much better and so much more refreshed and brighter.
For what you did.
Hollowness in my eyes, the lip lift,
The neck lift, the eyes.
everything, the eyes. 1979.
What happened to your eyes?
At 40, I had the eyes done for a little puffiness, and they hollowed them out terribly.
There was a bad surgeon.
Where?
It's just terrible.
And of course, the earlobes.
I'll be wearing earrings again.
Can I see your earlobes? Because people wonder about incisions.
People can't understand, where did he cut you? There's not a scar, not a mark.
The lip, the corners,
No
subtle.
filler. The man's a genius.
And he made our faces perfect.
We'll be back for more work in the future.